bigger, stronger, and smarter than ever. The future of monster trucks is here. Imagine vehicles so powerful they can crush cars like toys, leap over houses, and still look like a work of art. Today, we're counting down the 5 upcoming monster trucks that will redefine power on wheels. And trust me, number 1 will blow your mind. The legendary Raptor is going full monster mode in the 2030 concept. The Raptor X is expected to feature a massive electric hybrid drivetrain pushing over 1,500 horsepower, giant 50-inch tires, and an adaptive suspension that can raise or lower depending on terrain. Inside, expect a futuristic cockpit with augmented reality driving assist and panoramic HUD screens. Tesla's rumored CyberBeast takes the Cybertruck's design and pushes it into monster territory. Fully electric with triple motors, it's rumored to hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. Unheard of for a monster truck. Its body is bulletproof, its bed can extend hydraulically, and its autonomous AI system can map out perfect stunt jumps. GMC's Titan concept is an off-road behemoth with diesel-electric hybrid power, built to dominate any terrain. Think steel-reinforced chassis, monster-grade shocks, and a cargo space that can transform into a mobile workshop. The interior blends ruggedness with luxury, real wood panels, leather seats, and a built-in command center. The Hummer EV has already made headlines, but the Mammoth Edition is designed to take it into monster truck territory. With oversized military-grade tires, extreme torque, and AI-assisted terrain adaptation, it can crawl over obstacles like a tank. Inside, expect a luxury lounge feel with touchscreen panels and AI voice control. The Hummer EV has already made headlines, but the Mammoth Edition is designed to take it into monster truck territory. With oversized military-grade tires, extreme torque, and AI-assisted terrain adaptation, it can crawl over obstacles like a tank. Inside, expect a luxury lounge feel with touchscreen panels and AI voice control.